Hi, we're Glasspirits.
All right, welcome back. That was the Mexican Baby by Glasspirits. And you're just talking about a little bit of history behind that song, right? You guys got it.
Yeah, during break. Well, it seemed like Abe was more into talking about that song than me.
I thought it was very interesting, that you went through that phase in your life and even went as far as writing a song about it. And it is our video,
Yeah.
And this was like your guys' first ever music video?
Actually, we shot Strangelove first.
Really?
Yeah, we did everything like backwards in a way. And then I was going to only just focus on editing Strangelove. And then while I was learning video editing skills, I happened to make a student film for one of my film classes.
Right.
And that ended up being B-roll for the Strangelove music video. And then I took a music video class, and I was like, there's great opportunities here to make a music video for free. And that's what we did. I put Strangelove on hold, and we made 2 more music videos.
And that's what's great about LBCC with that music video class is that it's kind of like you can just make it for free and don't have to be the stress about, hiring a company or anything like that.
Yeah.
You got the equipment right there. And
yeah, man.
Yeah. And for a person who did go to LBCC, I do endorse any upcoming musicians go to that college.
And I want to say something about that. Everybody there was super nice.
Oh, yeah.
From Judy Baker to the professor.
Eric Knorr.
So you still haven't seen your first music video, huh?
No, I haven't seen my famous part that you got to see that supposedly made the whole class bust up.
Yeah.
My little sexy self, huh?
Yeah, let's not spoil it for the audience that's listening. Yeah.
Before the show, I did not say I was going to spoil it, so it's going to be a very great surprise.
Yeah.
I'll probably be surprised myself. I don't know how I let her talk me into these things. I'm like, no, I don't want to do that. Oh, come on, it'll be funny.
Oh, man.
How was that talked into? Do establish behind that.
I think I tricked him. To be honest, I did trick him a little bit. I told he has a tattoo, on his chest.
I think you did trick me somehow.
And then I said, "Oh, I wanna, film your tattoo." And then he tried to cover up the lower part of his chest and just show the tattoo. And I was like, "Oh no, that looks stupid. Put your hand down." And
you're giving it away now, though.
Yeah, well, no, not too much.
Not too much, yeah.
People don't know exactly what's going on
until they find out on the 19th.
yeah, pretty much.
If you guys are still looking for any more ways to get yourselves out there, I would like to make a shout out real quick for Music Freelancer. Have you guys heard of them? Musicfreelancer.net. They help out small artists find gigs and members and any venues. I had them on my show last semester, and they're very great. I actually know one of them personally for years from college back at Cerritos, and the founders like Joe, John, and Jack.
Oh,
how I know how ironic they all typical J names.
I'm Junior.
Junior, really?
Yeah. I'm a Junior.
Go be a founder for them and then add another J on there. Yeah. But yeah, I say do check them out for musicfreelancer.net.
Okay.
But very cool. Should we play another live music right on here?
Yeah. What's next? Okay. Something unspoken. Okay.
Do you want me to sing this one? Or?
No, I don't think
you
people
don't like
would
the way
like
you sing.
that.
All right.
That's not true. Okay. We're going to go get set up.
Let's get on right to it here on Scott Rock with DJ Rex.
You want to see us live, track us on bandsintown.com. If you like our content, leave a comment, subscribe, follow. You can find us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Tell us in the comments what you're going to do. How are you going to make it?
There'll be times when my crimes